के अनमोल असूलों को संभाला, सच्चाई के अनमोल असूलों को संभाला, जिन्हां तेरे पैगाम में जादू था निराला. It is an honor for me that I have been assigned to speak on our great leader, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He was not only a man, but an institution of truth, honesty, leadership, and sincerity. He was born in Karachi, having big dreams and deep observations. He stepped into politics. He gave the idea of two-nation theory that came forward in the form of the historic slogan, "Leke rahenge Pakistan, ban ke rahega Pakistan." Initially, he was part of Congress, but when he realized that Hindus can never be the well-wisher of Muslims, he left Congress and joined Muslim League. He wanted to free Muslims from the miseries that they were facing. It is the result of his untiring efforts that on 14 August 1947, a new sun appeared on the horizon of the world with the new name Pakistan, the Pakistan of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, which was determined by the slogan, Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah. Mr. President, it because of his great devotion for the noble cause of creation of separate homeland for Muslims that he is known as Quaid-e-Azam. His dedication was self-evident. His courage was humongous. His destination was clear. He was a savior of Muslims, the symbol of courage, the representative of oppressed. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, he was Babai-e-Qaum Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Respected audience, this country, our beloved homeland, is a result of our Quaid's effort. This is his gift to us. He gave us our homeland where we can live our lives with complete freedom, follow our religion, and celebrate our cultures. It is our moral duty to remember Quaid-e-Azam in our prayers and to make Pakistan an example for the rest of the world. We have to take Pakistan to the heights of glory and success. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.